Hello and welcome to another tutorial here today. Today I'll be going over how to use the one-click installation of Ruby on Rails on Ubuntu 12.10 with DigitalOcean. So to get started, I'm going to go ahead and go up here and create a droplet. So the first thing that will be necessary is to type in a host name. So I'll use Ruby on Rails. I will select 512 megabytes, and I will select the region of New York 2 for this tutorial. You will want to select whatever you want to for your location. So, in the applications, we are going to want to select Ruby on Rails on Ubuntu 12.10 with Nginx and Unicorn. I want to then go ahead and create my droplet. I have Enable Virtual on. So my server is currently setting up, which is what to be expected. And as soon as this gets up, we'll see where our server's at. Okay, and I just got the email that our server has been created, which is what we want to see. So I'm now going to go ahead and go to that email and go to my IP address here. And I will go ahead and paste this in my browser, and notice it might not be working yet, which is fine. We'll go ahead and wait for this to finish up, and then we'll refresh that page, because that will probably show that something's not listening or etc. So as we can see, we have a correct location up here. We have a correct, it's Ruby on Rails with Ubuntu 12. So I'm going to go ahead and refresh this now. And as we can see, DigitalOcean Rails application has been installed, and we can see the Rails version, the Ruby version, and etc. So now we want to go ahead and we can go ahead and log into our droplet and see the messages of the day. So I'm going to open up PuTTY, and I'm going to paste in the IP address and press open and press yes. And I'm going to now go ahead and find my password of my server and log in with the root with my password. Okay, so as we can see, we have logged in, and we have no new mail, which is fine. Okay, so we can go ahead and see through the terminal what version of Ruby we are using. So we just do that by which Ruby. And as we can see, we're using Ruby 2.0.0, which is fine. And that's all I'm going to cover in this tutorial. In the future, we'll have more. I'll be covering a little bit more information here. So thank you for watching this tutorial, and have a great day.